This is Annie's dream. Uriah riding the robot. Hey guys, I am home with the boys. PJ's playing with his balloon that he got yesterday. Uriah was so interested in his balloon, so I got him his own little balloon to play with too. We're eating some mini corn dogs and watching Turbo. PJ's playing with the balloon and Uriah is intently watching him. He's like so into it. He thinks it's so funny. Uriah, is that so funny? Whoa, be careful, dude. You okay? And he's back. PJ says he wants something cold. Why do you want something cold?
Because it's so hot.
Because it's such a hot day.
I'm so sweaty.
And
he just knows how to work it.
Yeah,
He's very
does.
good with his words.
He is. Today we were watching a show and he saw Optimus Prime, like his reflection. He's like, I see Optimus Prime in the reflection of the water. I'm like, okay, PJ. Good words. Lucky for you, I happen to have a Cold Stone gift card. You can get ice cream with this card.
Buy ice cream.
You can buy ice cream.
Because it's got $15.
It has $15 to buy ice cream on it. But the question is, what are you gonna do to get this ice cream?
Oh, I know what I'm going to do to earn it.
What?
Clean up.
You're gonna clean up? All right.
That sounds like a good idea.
This is what I want to see first. I want you to pick up all the Cheerios on the floor and throw them away. That's that's step one, okay?
Okay.
Do you see any Cheerios on the floor?
Yeah.
Okay, pick them up and throw them away.
I see 2 of them.
Okay, go get them. This house is a mess.
Yeah.
Yep, throw them away. Annie, I cannot find that bag. I literally looked everywhere last night.
I don't see any more Cheerios.
Everywhere I found
Power,
it.
okay, Power is the worst finder ever. I don't know what it is, but when he looks for something, he just looks what's in front of him. He doesn't move things around.
I did look in that box, but I just like peered in.
That's the problem. Who else has this problem with their husbands, man?
Well, someone has it with their son.
Actually, I see no more Cheerios.
I see one right there. Look, right here, right here.
I didn't even see that one.
Well, mommy's gonna help you look around, see if she sees any more Cheerios, okay?
Oh my goodness.
PJ's doing such a good job cleaning. He's cleaning up the shoes now. This guy's being crazy. Crazy awesome. How about you, man? When are you gonna start pulling your weight? Wow, look at this amazing job PJ did of cleaning up all his toys. Great job, PJ boy. You did an awesome job. This is Annie's dream. Uriah riding the robot. Whoa.
Let it go. Let it go.
Yeah? PJ, that's okay. Let him.
The 2 is number yellow.
The 2 is number
And that's number 5.
PJ did this all by himself. It's basically like you match the number and then the color and then you find it and you color it. And he did this all by himself. That's really, really good. You know how to follow the instructions? Good job, dude.
The 5 is orange.
And 5 is orange.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
5 is orange. And 2 is blue.
Mm-hmm. What the? Uriah, did you turn that on?
Yeah.
Uriah turned it on?
Again?
Yeah, it turned on.
Second time you've done it already.
Uriah's just turning on the D-bot all by himself. Whoa, he wants to like write it. You already wrote it. I didn't see. Go on to the Habit. Got a couple of coupons we still haven't used up.
Pointing at me.
He was pointing at you, the baby. Did you bring your gift card for your ice cream?
Yeah.
You did?
Yeah.
Good. Otherwise, we would not be getting any ice cream. You got it in your pocket?
Yep.
Okay. Good deal. Uriah. It's a little cold in here, huh?
A little bit.
Yeah. I had to get PJ his jacket from the car. Uriah. I noticed his nose has been a little runny.
The food is here. We're ready to eat. You look like you're ready to eat, Uriah.
Why did you get a fancy plate?
I don't know. I don't know what's going on with my burger. The bun looks really big.
Maybe they ran out of the regular wheat buns and then they gave you a fancy wheat bun.
Yeah, I guess. I don't know.
Finally got this kid to settle down by giving him a French fry.
Can I have a?
Okay.
I can get what I can.
Good? How's your burger, Daddy-o?
Pretty good.
So massive. I like to get mine plain with cheese and grilled onion. I get PJ the same way. Just so that it's a little bit more manageable, right? Without all them veggies. And no sauce. Yeah, you like it, huh?
He just destroyed that French fry and he's reaching for more. Man, he ate a whole French fry. No choking? No problem? He's like, nope, give me another one. Look at him. Can you get it? He grabbed it. He's like, what are these things? They're delicious. He grabbed another fry. How about you finish what's in your mouth? He's like, oh, I dropped it. It's gone, Uriah. It's gone. He's like, okay.
No problem.
This guy is our eater, man.
I'm an eater too.
Yeah, you better get eating then.
He has no teeth. Two just broke through, like so, but they're barely there. He's got no teeth. He's just gumming it. Take a big bite, sweetie. He's on to his dessert, getting some orange.
Like chowing down on this one.
We're at Cold Stone for PJ boy.
Sweet cream, French vanilla.
He wants it exactly like the picture.
I know. Oh, that's cake batter ice cream.
And which one is the white one?
There's a lot of white ones. We can taste some, okay?
You can take, yeah, you can taste samples. You want a sample?
Yeah.
Okay.
I want this.
You want that?
That's the white one.
But you want the banana
Hi,
sample?
can we have a sample? Can we try the cake batter? You want to try the cheesecake one?
Sure.
Is that the one you want, or you want to try a different one?
I think that's the one you got last time.
You want to try a different white one?
This is the white one. This is
I'm going to try one different one and then we'll see.
Okay.
Cheesecake?
Sure.
Or vanilla?
Whatever. Okay.
Can I also try the cheesecake, please?
He wants the banana. He wants it in a cone. Alright, we're making it exactly. She put it in the cup for you, but you got the cone, okay?
Wow.
Does it look like the picture? It's got some chocolate and it's got some sprinkles.
Yeah, it's just what I wanted.
It's just what I wanted, he said.
That's just the right size.
That's just the right size? That's a lot of that's a lot of ice cream, huh?
But she eat it all. Yeah.
Just wait, baby.
And a strawberry lemonade. What do you tell me you want them to do?
$5? That's a lot of money.
Side by side or mixed together? Side by
could have had a mashup for $5.
He's like, nope, just want my ice cream. Ooh, your hands are gonna be nice and sticky. Just get a little spoon, baby. A little scoop.
Good, let go.
Okay, take a bite. Let's try.
Does it taste like what you thought it would? It's good? It tastes like banana. Like straight up banana.
Yeah, I mean, it doesn't taste bad. I thought you said you're not gonna give this one sugar.
No, this guy's just such an eater. I can't say no to my son.
He took the rest of that cone to go and it just like exploded and melted.
He just bit it and it just...
And it exploded. He demolished it. Dripping all over. I think we decided next time no cone. Just keep it in a cup, right? Just keep it in a cup. And they gotta wash their hands now because their hands are so sticky. Of course, the toy section. To look at all the toys.
Just the light.
You know you have to get an extra, right?
PJ, we're not gonna buy a toy today. You know that, right? We're just looking.
Look at Darth Maul. Look at him.
Darth
This is a pretty cool set. $25.
I feel like reiterating what I just said.
I got my own money. BJ ain't got money. I got money. All right, we are home. That's a wrap for today. Thanks for watching, guys. If you'd like to give us a thumbs up and subscribe below, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye, guys.
All right, let's go check out your classroom. Let's see what kind of work you've been doing.